Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo with Miss
Shruti.
Yes.
And if you're sitting there and if you're getting hungry, then this next song is for you.
Hot mango chutney sauce. Could we put anything more more desi
Maybe
into
a
the
paratha?
title?
A paratha to go with it. Yeah.
I know. So, okay, lots of DMs have come up for this. Misha Shafi's brand new drop, 10 September it released. And let me see what it says. Starring Misha Shafi, Swinery, Zara Pirzada, Iman Suleiman, Bemisal, Rubab Ali, Abdullah Siddiqui. Is that Hassan Rahim's Abdullah Siddiqui? Hashim Ali. Video director Awais Goyer and Misha Shafi. Producer Misha Shafi. Okay, so let's just get into it. There's this bit, I don't know why, but there's been a lot of hype in the requests section for this.
Right.
And let's see what it's about.
Yeah, let's check it out.
What was our last reaction to her? The one from Battle of the Bands, Main. Amazing production. That was.
Uske baad, Misha Shafi ka nothing.
That was
nothing. Correct,
that was the last time.
Nothing.
Yeah, I'll link that here. Yeah. But let's get to this. Let's see what she's up to. Okay, 1, 2, 3, play. Oh.
चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक पे चांदी के चम्मच से जमी चूकी चटनी चटाई चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक पे चांदी के चम्मच से जमी चूकी चटनी चटाई चल दस्ते मैं कहंदी आ तू नेक्स्ट लेवल ते ऐसे गए हार लखां दे बैग तेरे हीरियां दी बहार वड्डे शेड लगाई फिरदी विच इंपोर्टेड कार ते साडे नसीब शुक्रे दाल चावल अचार hot mango chutney sauce tenale lip gloss hot mango chutney sauce tenale lip gloss hot mango chutney sauce tenale lip gloss hot mango chutney sauce tenale lip gloss.
Oh, Sunday brunch at hers is always a disaster. You know, last time I went, I said, okay, I see a lot of samosa, but where are the mimosas?
Why are you so jealous? Tere aansu mangi umbrellas. Why are you so jealous, baby? Hun das de, just tell us. Why are you so jealous? Tere aansu mangi umbrellas. Why are you so jealous, baby? Hun das de, just tell us. Tere nakhre, main jawa sadke. Tere nakhre, main jawa sadke. Tere nakhre. Hot mango chutney sauce, tenale lip gloss. 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 जिथे दी खोती ओथे ही आन खलोती चुप कर जाओ इधर आओ नींबू मिर्ची feel good टोपी so real good सब कर लेंदे इसते good सब कर लेंदे इसते good नींबू मिर्ची feel good टोपी so real good सब कर लेंदे इसते 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 good
It's like, yeah.
No, I'm equally as surprised as you. You know, nobody told me this song was going to be in Punjabi. In fact, you know, when Misha approached me to do this song, I naturally assumed that it's going to be in English. Because I think everybody by now knows my comfort levels, you know, so it should have been communicated. You know, in fact, I even suggested, you know, use more English. It's going to be more relatable for people and you'll reach a bigger audience. But no. So I just want Misha to know that, you know, consent is very important.
Oh.
Oh, listen. It's going on. I'm just going to pause it because now
No,
it's just,
let
or
it
should
go,
we
let
just
it
listen
go.
to it?
Let it
Okay,
go,
okay.
let it
We should
go.
just keep listening to it. Okay.
I'm still processing while this is going on.
This is just the colors, their clothes, their makeup, just what this song was, what it stood for, everything.
Oh my
Everything
God,
was perfect.
I can't get over her like entire delivery of it, the lyrics, the implied messaging, and the little memoji person talking at the.
I also have
It's-
one on my iPad. Like it gives you these options. I've also
I know, I
created
have
one for
it.
me.
I
Now,
know,
the moment I saw it, I was
love
like,
it.
ah,
I love it. I
it's
love it.
amazing.
Yeah, but no, but it's okay. Oh, she's killed
Yes.
it. I freaking love it. I love
And
it. I love it.
how?
I love it. I love it. I love it. It's just, I needed a song like this. I feel, the thing is, so you don't know what you need till you see it, till you hear it. This is again in that category.
Correct.
So required.
Absolutely.
So
Chalo, go for it.
okay.
You're full of enthu. Go for it. Tell
No,
everything.
I mean, it was, for me, it was just about calling out all the pretentious people and all the people who are all about, the foo things in life.
Correct.
And she's done it so well. I love that part where she goes, "Why are you so jealous? Why are you so jealous?"
So matter of fact,
tell us.
like
Just tell us, why are you so jealous? So good. And I really like this. This is so, these are thoughts I've had for so long, and they've been put into a song that is so fun and colorful and mad and vibrant and, just like
perfect.
sarcastic, witty, intelligent. It's just so, all those adjectives, so good. It was so needed. I'm going to stop. You say.
So, when it started with the whole
Yeah.
Chandu ki chachi and all that, we've heard that muhavara used, abused, overused for decades, So when
Jimmy
it started,
Choo.
I was like,
Jimmy
what
Choo ki
Jimmy
chutney chatnai. Chandi ke chamat se Jimmy Choo ki chutney chatai.
But I'm talking about the muhavara, the base
Okay.
muhavara. It's a very famous muhavara, right?
Yeah,
All of us
yeah.
have grown up listening to it, and many films, whatever. There was one Shan ka song also, which was on it. So, like, in
So
the
much.
90s,
Yeah.
it has been overdone. So I was like,
Even
okay, yet again, another one
Vyanjan
is done.
mein, Krishna also used it in Vyanjan.
Correct. So I was like, ऐसा नया क्या होगा कि सुनते ही will be like, but immediately, like no time was wasted, and immediately I was like, okay, yes, कर सकते हैं use इसको वापस, क्योंकि like the way she's treating it, nobody else is treating it. Go for it. Yes, I'm behind you. And the whole setup, the way it was done, it was perfect. Like if this song, the way it was shot, please, can they just make a movie out of it? Like, is vibe ki film with the whole thing going on with these 4 girls who are there.
All the
and
characters.
What they're up to and what they're doing. I swear, please get in touch with you. I will write one full-on series. Like, I can just imagine it. I can just imagine 4 of them featuring and like on this, on this musical tour that is going on. So, mere dimag mein wo sab chal raha tha when I was watching it. And just the singing wise, the way they have mixed 2 things, which is delivery, dialogues, and just with that much ease, like how a natural conversation is going on, mixing that with music, the way those 2 things have been done so seamlessly and effortlessly, it was a treat. After a really long time, one such song has come that
it's Abdullah Siddiqui. I'm just seeing production and mixing is Abdullah Siddiqui, lyrics and composition is Misha Shafi. She's composed it also.
Yes,
mastering Milo Silva, very nice. Yeah. The entire production and sound that's come out is so freaking unique and different from anything else that's being put out there. And
that last bit of the last bit. Okay, the song is going on, starting again and again. It's not stopping.
It's like we hear you, we'll play again.
Oh God, yes, it was literally like that. I think my iPad just got possessed and it was like, I will play it again for you like 5 times. Okay, no. So right in the end, so 2 things, okay. Right in the end, first, there was this one English 3 words that she kept repeating. What were those words? There was like this, which kept repeating. And I thought, pehle, it didn't strike me that they're English words. And I was like, ye kaun sa Urdu word use kar rahi hai? What does it mean? How does it go with everything? What is going on? And then I realized like it was an English word. Like I think on the 7th or the 8th time when she was repeating it, this is right in the end, before the animation thing started, right? And
Yeah.
I was just like, oh, that's what she meant. That was one very like dumb moment that happened for me, but it was
If-
hilarious in my own head.
It's sab kar lende if they could. That's what
If
you
they
mean.
could. So
Ah.
yeah, so I thought it was if they could. And I was like, if
If
they
they-
could kya hota hai? If they could, koi word hota hai? And she kept saying, if they could, if they could. I was like, what does if they
You
could
know,
mean? If the car suna hai, if they whatever, but I was like, if they could kya hai? And then like
Yeah.
some, I think 10th time, 7th time when she repeated, I was like, if they could, oh God.
I
That
feel
moment,
she was
I
no,
loved it.
I feel yeah, and I think it was intentional because she was purposely
Yeah.
giving her voice and accent that twang, you know, to sound like she's not one of
Yes.
them.
Exactly.
So it was very like
Which is why I loved it.
yeah, every
Which is why I
section
was
of
like,
it. Every section of it has been thought out, and the way it's been delivered, and the way she's pronounced words, and the way the accents have happened, the way the actors, the girls in the scenes have portrayed things.
Right.
It's so funny. It's like you know and this is completely societal, the thing. There are people who make fun of each other. You understand?
Yeah.
This side
Yeah.
of society makes fun of the Vernies, and then the Vernies make fun of this side of the
Correct.
thing. And I think is equally hilarious. But the way she's called out the fakeness. See, the thing is, people can't help who they are. They are brought up in a certain environment, and they're a product of that environment. I don't hold that against anyone. But when you allow superficial, dumb stuff to become the bane of your existence, and then to look at other people in a manner that, you know, oh, they're not up to this thing, then that's stupid. Then you should call that stuff out.
Yeah. So see, I like how you've taken the calling people out as your main message of the song, right? For me, the main message that's standing out is don't take yourself too seriously.
No,
like,
it's one of the messages. It's one of the messages. I agree. That's
correct,
also a message.
correct.
Yeah.
Like, I will also not take it too seriously. And like how that whole animation thing right at the end, everything she's speaking it very seriously, right?
Yeah.
But it's the way she's saying it. It is so hilarious because you know it's a person who's taking, you know, it's a certain kind of a person who's taking it too seriously and yet not. And then like just the whole thing, it's a brilliant.
But it's also someone who's not taking stuff seriously, but also that entire monologue at the end of that memoji is someone who's so far away from reality. You know,
yeah, that person is taking it
so,
too seriously.
yeah,
but then we are hearing, they're
she's
like,
you know, I told her do it in English because it will connect to more people. When actually you're like, are you serious? It's actually the opposite. It is true.
Exactly.
Like the more niche and the more local and the more regional you go with your language or your everything, the more people you'll connect with strongly. So I'm just like, it was so hilarious on so many levels. The layers.
Basically, love has happened. Everybody, we're just like completely like gushing.
I know, we can just go on.
And one really big shout out to the art directors and to the makeup people and the clothes.
The entire production.
Yeah. Just the idea, you know, idea बहुत simple है कि एक ढाबे पे और एक ट्रक को सजा के और उसके अंदर करेंगे. But it's the way it has been done with the simplest of things put together and with those makeup things, and it's beautiful, beautiful.
I'm just seeing here, there's a Lahore unit and a Toronto unit. So there's 2 units that have worked on this, which is very interesting. I wonder
that effect is coming nicely.
It didn't feel like it was shot separately. I love the party truck. I love party buses in general. That party truck driving with the lights are all hells.
Very nice. And lights.
Yeah, loved it. Full treat for the senses.
I think it's time for us to say bye to you, but like Joe and I need to go back and listen to it like together once again and just like group to it. I could stop dancing through and through.
And shout out to everyone who's in the video. Like again, Swinery, Zara, Iman, Bemisal, Rubab, Abdullah, Siddiqui, Hashim Ali, Misha, everyone, just fabulous. Okay, check out Miss Bola's website. It's linked below. All her crazy audio work is up there. And hit all these buttons, help support the channel, share this song, Misha's song, share it. It deserves to be, watched and heard by
and we get the hype now. We understand what the hype was about.
We totally get it, loved it. So thank you for recommending and take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.